Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your accounts and software match. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices and install the Xbox app. Update your console to the latest system version so features appear as expected. Once done, connect the phone and the Xbox to the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids NAT and routing issues and speeds discovery. Make sure the console is on or in Instant On mode so the app can find it immediately. Then open the app to proceed. Next, enable the console side. Go to Settings, Devices and Streaming, then Remote Features, and check Enable Remote Features so your console accepts connections. Set Power Mode to Instant On to allow remote wake. This keeps the console reachable without a full boot. In the Xbox app on your phone, tap Consoles, choose Add a Console, and let it scan. When a pairing code appears on your TV, type it into the app. This links the devices securely and completes the middle setup. Finally, start Remote Play or select Console Streaming in the app to begin streaming your home Xbox to the phone. This launches the game stream and maps controls. Connect a controller either via Bluetooth pairing with your phone or plug the controller into the phone with a USB-C cable for lower latency. If you hit problems, restart the router, console, and phone, and verify NAT type and firewall settings. This one troubleshooting step fixes most discovery and stuttering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.